Imagine you're having a beautiful morning at work. Everything is going smoothly until... We all know it. Even the best machines can have problems. Many times, it could be a bad setting or the operator. Every minute without a working printer means lost time, money, and bad vibes. Our standard approach requires the technician to travel to the customer, which can cause longer machine downtime. But what if I told you that there's a better solution? Introducing Virtual Service Visit, a moderate approach to problem solving. With Virtual Service Visit, our technician can provide quick and efficient solutions without the need to travel, and it's fully secure from any device. Thanks to Virtual Service Visit, customers experience less frustration and more satisfaction. Our innovation promises security, efficiency, and remote problem solving. Imagine a world where more technical problems can be solved remotely. Compared to the usual solution, it's possible to reduce time from hours to minutes, CO2 emissions from tons to zero, and from potentially big lost income to minimal. This can be your reality when choosing a virtual service visit.